Hello, everybody. Good morning. My name is Tariq Murad. Today, I'm gonna do a different video. Actually, usually what I do, I trade the 15 minutes, and I use line shot, as you can see. But today, I'm gonna do an experiment, as they say. All right, I'm gonna trade a higher time frame, which is, as you can see, the 4 hours. All right, and this is a euro dollar position. And the reason and I'm doing that because you notice that in most of our live trades that I traded before in our live videos, they were only giving us 15 to 20 pips, 25 at max. Okay, now if you want to get more pips and more profit in one position, you need to go to a higher time frame. Okay, so to see a higher move, or at least a wider move, such as this one in 4 hours, you can notice that actually we moved from 126.83 up to the bottom here at 125.47. So you're talking about 130, 150 pips, around 130 and 150 pips. 136 pips actually, exact 134 as it shows. All right, so you would expect the second move from the first move here, first wave here, if we broke this support, which is 125.40, all right, we will move at least okay 100 pips. So that gives you in one standard lot $1,000 with less, following and less pain and less just to be attached to the screen. But also, you have to know that if you are entering in a 4 hours time frame, you should know that your stop loss will be wider, and your leverage should be lower. And the second thing, you're not gonna be at watching the position all day. You have to wait at least every 4 hours, come and check, because every candle or every bar, as you see here, it's a 4 hours actually candle. So you're not gonna just sit there watching okay a formation of one candle for 4 hours. Okay, so you need at least three, four, five, six candles to form okay this next move. So what are we gonna do? Actually, I don't like to trade higher time frame. It's just something just for you to show. And I'm not gonna trade 5 lots. I'm gonna trade half a lot because I don't want to risk it. Because it looks like we're about to break, as it shows here, and the tricks is still in the downside. Yes, it shows that it's about to turn, but we're gonna take the risk, and our target will be, as it shows here, that if we entered here, sorry, what is this? If we entered here, we will be support number 3, which is 124.20. That's almost 130, 120 pips. So we will go with a half a lot. It's just an experiment. I'm not looking to actually make an actual profit out of it. That's why I'm not entering a very high, because the stop loss for sure is going to be also high stop loss, such as you're going to go to the bar or candlesticks. You can see that we are at the pivot point. Pivot point is around 125.90. So we're going to place it at 120, 126 at least. So our stop loss will be 126, 126, and our target, as we said, is 124.25. So as you can see that our stop loss, oh sorry, let me just take this. Our stop loss is around 60 pips, okay, and our target will be around what? entered that 42, and there's around 115 pips, which is very nice risk reward ratio. The only thing that we should hope here for is to reach to our target. Looks like we are actually forming the first wave of the 4 hours trade. Uh, that target actually sounds reasonable because actually this is the support number 3 and it's actually matching the support over here. So all the trade looks okay and looks right, and we're trading according to the plan. The only difference that the color is still green, the moving average, but we're trading below it, so it's okay. And the second thing that is maybe it's not according to the plan is it's a higher time frame because I never traded actually 4 hours. I always trade 15 minutes. If you look at the 15 minutes, we are consolidating. Maybe I'll come back and I'll see it if it hits our target or it hit our stop loss there. Right? Thank you. Yeah. Hi again. As we entered the deal, as we said in this video, okay. First, that the price now is at 125.61. This is the euro US dollar at now. We entered this morning at the 4 hours, and as you can notice that we entered the deal at 2 o'clock in the afternoon in my time zone, and now it's 7 o'clock almost. Actually, it's 8 o'clock. So you're talking about 6 hours, and nothing has moved. It didn't hit our stop loss, or it didn't hit even our target. So we will keep that position because I want to see what is going to happen with it according to our simple plan, which is line chart trading, and we might follow it for the next week. Today is Friday, and the market will be closed in 3 hours or 4 hours, and I think we will have to keep the position with us, take it for the next week, and we will see if we're gonna reach that target or not, or hit the stop loss. Hello, good morning, everyone. Um, Again, this is Tariq Murad. Today is Monday. Excuse me. I'm just following up with you on the trade that we took on Friday on the 4 hours, just to try to see if our system and simple strategy, which is the line chart, works on higher time frame and longer term. And looks like it's working pretty good, and till now we are actually profiting. Not yet reaching any target of ours, but at least we are actually in the money and we're making money now. It's just a quick follow-up and review to our trade. As you can see, actually that was supposed, it was forming, such as in the first part of this video, okay, it was forming like a lower high and it was crossing to the downside. But what happened, it reversed back or bounced back up. Okay, but you see it's still far away from our stop loss, which is 126. Today it formed something much better, which is uh, hold on, which is sending flag, and you see it was consolidating over here, then it broke down, and now we are at 124.94, and that's very good. We entered at 125.40. That is our entry, even it's 43, and the pivot line is 125.54, so we can move our stop loss actually above this level. We're still profiting. It's a longer time frame, and we're waiting for this distance from this one to this low, and then we measure it. We saw that that would be our target, 124.35. So we were placing our target at 124, as I remember, 25. So we just want to move it up a little bit to 10 pips. Just last thing I want to show you is the profit that we already having for this trade, $240. We're almost down by 50 pips now. almost. But actually, we took only half a lot, which is $50,000 position. Because as I said, I'm not a long-term trader, and I don't like to take position overnight. So that's why I just took this as an experiment. It's a try, and just it's for an education purpose for you, for the people who actually doesn't like to trade 15 minutes or lower time frame, and they don't want to just be attached to the screen all the day. So this is another way of dealing with this kind of stuff. Hello again, everybody. We are now in the mid day of Monday, and we're still actually going down, but we are halted here a bit, uh, as you can see. But that the euro is forming now a wave. If it broke the support at 142.70, at 124.70, if it breaks that support, I expect that we could reach our target today. If it's not, maybe tomorrow. But still, we are on Monday, as I said before, that trading on higher time frame, it means you could hold your position for several days. Till now, we are profiting, as you can see. That we're already up $300 and only half a lot. It means if we trade it as our standard or normal lots, as I usually do, which is 5 lots, it means multiply this by 10. It would have been $3,000. But this is actually as a try, and we will see. We're still in this trade. Nothing much happened from the last video, last part, except that we were at 90 levels, 124, 98, 95. Now we are talking about 124, 81. We need to break the 70, 124.70, just to confirm that we are going to go to the lower or our target. Well, we'll keep updating you. I will keep updating you. Till now, wish you the best. Thank you. Hello everyone, we're actually following up again. Today is Tuesday. We are following up on our 4 hours trade. As we can see that the market was good today. It was bouncing up the euro. Okay, it reached to the high at 125.25, somewhere around that. Okay, and then it broke that level and is going down toward our target. As you can see that the trade went very well. Our target is 124.34. Let's see what was the low. The low was almost there. Actually, we reached to almost 124.41, so only 5 pips away. So we could close it because it could bounce back. But as again, I just deleted the target profit just to show you how the trade actually went very well. And we also can confirm that the target would go to the our place, because that was the last of recent move, and then it broke this wave also. It's going down. Now we are trading at 124.62. It bounced back up, and I will do something because I don't want to mess on the trade. I just wanted to prove the method, and that we went down, okay, to our target using just line chart. We're just using the candle just to show the low, because the line chart shows you only the closing.